Welcome to Shin Infinite. I am your host Andrew. Today I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for Coinhako exchange account. First, open your browser and go to coinhako.com. Click the Sign Up for Free button. Choose Individual. Fill up your name as per your NRIC. Next, your email and your desired password. Make sure it fulfills the requirements of the password as specified. Reconfirm your password. Fill in the referral code. This is optional. We will greatly appreciate if you can fill up this referral code to support the Shin Infinite channel. Alternatively, you can choose to fill up your friend's referral code instead. You can log in after confirming your email address. Click Login. The first time you log in, you will have to perform some verification. Phone number verification. For this step, you will be prompted to enter your country of residence and mobile number. Step 1. Choose your country of residence. Step 2. Enter your phone number. Step 3. Select the next button. Step 4. Enter the 6-digit code sent via SMS to your phone number. Step 5. Select the Submit button. Identity verification. Take a picture of a valid identity document. Follow the instructions on the screen and snap a photo of your identity card. You will be required to take a picture of both the front and back of your IC. Please ensure that you are completing this step in a place with good lighting so that all details are visible and clear. Accepted document types. 1. NRIC card. 2. 11B. 3. Any government service card. Take note that passports are not supported. Step 1. Choose your country of residence. Step 2. Choose the identity card option. Step 3. Take photos of the front and back of your ID. Step 4. Automated facial recognition liveness check. Complete the questionnaire. Step 1. Complete all required questions. Step 2. Select the checkbox to validate that all information provided is correct. Step 3. Select the Submit Answers button. Submit document. Step 1. Select your preferred option to submit your proof of address document. My info is recommended for quicker verification time. This was how I signed up. But if you choose to perform manual submission, you will have to allow 1 to 2 business days to process. Step 2. If you've chosen the My Info option, you will be redirected to My Info website. Log in with your ID number or QR code. Click Retrieve My Info. Select the I Agree button. You will be redirected to Coinhako's website. Select the Accept and Continue button. Wait for the verification process to complete. Congratulations! You are done signing up.
If you find this tutorial useful, do consider clicking the subscribe button, like and bell icon. Thanks for watching. The Coinhako sign-up link will be included below in the details.